Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to share with you how to make the perfect baked and roasted potatoes in air fryer. Here I have added the toppings: tomato ketchup, then there is spicy brown mustard sauce and honey mustard sauce. Three sauces I've added to this potato, but not yet. There is more flavors to this potato recipe, so let's see what all ingredients we have added to this. In an empty bowl, take butter. I'm adding 1 by 4th of butter here. Melt it. Next we add 1 by 3rd cup of Parmesan cheese. Next we add red chili flakes, half teaspoon. I'll mention all the ingredients used here in the description below. You can later refer to it. Next we add salt per taste. Now we add Italian seasoning, half teaspoon. Now mix this mixture well. Next we're going to cut the potatoes like this. It's going to be halfway. You do not have to cut whole. Like Hasselback potatoes. Now dipping each potatoes. So the mixture that we created, we can marinate around 9 to 10 potatoes with this. Similarly, we will apply this mixture to all the potatoes this way, or you can also brush the mixture onto the potatoes, but I'd like to do this way. I hope you're enjoying watching this video recipe. I share a lot of air fry recipes in this channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Also click on that bell icon so whenever there is a new air fry recipe or any video recipe, you will get the notification first. So here we marinated all the potatoes like this. So it has a very nice rich flavor. It has parmesan, butter, chili flakes, Italian seasoning. Now we're going to air fry it at 370 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. There is no need to flip it. Just let it be there in the air fryer. After 15 minutes, this is how it's going to look. Now add your favorite toppings here, seasoning, whatever you like, the sauces. So here I have honey mustard, spicy brown mustard and tomato ketchup. And garnish with cilantro. It's such a delish taste. You will love it. Your family would love it. Everyone around love it. This is a very delicious recipe for potato. Perfectly baked. It's roasted. You can see that golden brownish texture on it. It's perfectly crispy. Yummy potato in air fryer. So here I let my kids do the toppings and they enjoyed doing that, and you can see how beautiful they look. See you soon again with new video recipe. I hope you enjoyed this. Please don't forget to click on that like button, subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.